Hey there, welcome to Beginner Dance Tutorials. I'm Carrie Mitchell, and today we're going to learn a line dance to "CHOOSIN Texas" by Langley. This is not my choreography. I will tag the choreographer down in the video description. This is just my interpretation. We're going to break down the moves nice and slow, step by step, using a lot of repetition, and you guessed it, having fun. Please note that this video is not going to have any music in it. It's just the tutorial. But when you're ready to practice it with music, I have a separate video that's linked down in the video description or up here in this card. So go check out that other video when you're ready to practice with music, or if you just want to see what this dance looks like with music. All right, let's line dance, y'all. Here we go. We're breaking the moves down into counts of 8, and there are 3 of those total. This is a beginner line dance. It's super fun. I hope you'll stand up and try it. So our first 8 count, we're gonna take our steps to the right. We're gonna go right together. You're dancing. So we're gonna go right together. Put all your weight on that left foot so that we can go forward, right, left, right. So 3 steps to the front, 2 steps to the side, 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3. And you can call this a shuffle or a triple step or a whatever you want to. So it's right, together, right, left, right. 5, 6, step on your right, right, together, right, left, right. 5, 6, step in on your right foot, right, left, right, left, right. Now we're gonna go to the left, left, together. You're gonna take your left back, left, right, left. So same exact step or pattern, but your left foot's leading. So we're stepping to the left, and then when we do that shuffle, left, right, left, we're moving back, left, right, left. Ooh, moving backwards is fun. So the left side is left, right, left, right, left. Try it. 5, 6, you're stepping on your left foot. Left, together, left, right, left. Very nice. So when we put them together, our first 8 count, you're gonna go to the right, right, together, right, left, right, left, together, left, right, left, and you should end up about where you started on the floor. That's fun. Here we go. 5, 6, step right, together, 1, 2, 3, left, together, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, step right, together, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. That's your first 8 count. Great job. We're gonna add on. If you're not ready though, it's a recorded tutorial. You can pause it, practice as much as you need to. When you're ready for your second 8 count, we're gonna add it on. So we're gonna turn this one a little bit, but if you don't wanna turn, I'm gonna give you an option. So it's the same footwork. It's right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. It's the exact same footwork you just did, but instead of stepping right together, I'm gonna rock right, left. So rocking backwards on my right foot, forwards on my left foot, and then I'm gonna take my 1, 2, 3 steps to the front and do a half turn to face the back. So again, you're gonna go like this. Right, left, right, left, right. Now you're facing the back of the room. Try it again. 5, 6, what was that? 5, 6, you take 2 steps first. So you go 1, 2, then 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. You're gonna do the same thing with your left. So I'm gonna show you from behind. You're gonna rock left, right, and then you're gonna go left, right, left. But you're facing the back, so it's gonna look like this. Left, right, left, right, left. So when you put them together, just watch one time. Rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step. So you're not making a complete turn. Watch how I'm gonna face this wall both times when I turn. Rock, step, I'm facing this wall. Rock, step, I'm facing this wall. So we're turning to that left wall both times to go from back to front. Super clear, right? Try it. 5, 6, rock back on your right. So we're going 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3, left foot. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now, if you don't want to turn, that's totally fine. Keep the same footwork, rock back, and do your little cha-cha-cha forward, and then you're just gonna rock front and do left, right, left, back. So we're gonna go back, take it to the front, front, take it to the back. And that way you don't have to turn, and it's the same footwork. We'll all be on the same foot. It's all good. So one more time, choosing your adventure. We're all gonna rock back, and then you're gonna do a triple step or a three steps in a row, turning or not. 5, 6, rock on your right. We go 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3. That's our second 8 count. So going back to the top, we're putting 2 8 counts together. It looks like this. 2 steps, 1, 2, 3 steps, 1, 2, 3, 2 steps, 1, 2, 3 steps, 1, 2, 3, 2 steps, rocking, 3 steps turning, 2 steps rocking, 3 steps turning, 1, 2, 3. Yes, that was your preview. I'm gonna count you in. We're gonna step together to the right. You're doing amazing. 5, 6, step together. We go right, left, 1, 2, 3, left, right. Now we rock back, 1, 2, triple, 1, 2, 3, left, right, triple, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, one more time. 5, 6, 5, 6, step right together. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, rock back, then we turn, 1, 2, 3, rock back, then 1, 2, 3. Woo, amazing job. We're gonna move on and learn our third and final 8 count. You're doing amazing. So we just did that rock step, 1, 2, 3. We're back to facing the front. You're gonna step back on your right and hook your left. So you're just swinging that left foot over your right. So we're going 1, 2. Doesn't have to be too precise. You're just pulling that left foot back. 1, 2. You're gonna do that shuffle or triple step forward, 3 and 4. This time with your left foot only. So we're going right, left, left, right, left. 5, 6, we step back and then hook, step, hook, shuffle, step. 5, 6, step on your right, hook your left, then we go 1, 2, 3. From here, your right foot's free. We're gonna do what she calls a skate, where you're just kind of like you're skating on those feet. So you're just stepping right, left, but we add a little skate action to it. So you can turn out a little if you want. You can do it more straightforward, but think about you have roller skates on or ice skates and you're going side to side. It's fun, right? That's on 5, 6, and to finish the 8 count, you're gonna rock forward, 7, 8, and then we're gonna start to turn, and that's gonna, a quarter turn to your right wall, and that's gonna start the dance over. So that's the choreography. So our third 8 count looks like this. 1, 2, then we shuffle, 3 and 4, then we skate, right, left, then we rock, right, left, then we're gonna start it over turning. Yes, I'm gonna count you into that 8 count. We're gonna step and hook back. 5, 6, step and hook. We go 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3, then skate, skate, rock, step, right, left. Yeah, try it again. 5, 6, step, hook. We go 1, hook, 2, shuffle, 3 and 4, skate, 5, 6, rock, 7, 8. Yeah, one more time. 5, 6, 5, 6, step, hook. Now 3, then skate, 5, 6, rock, 7, 8. Amazing job. All right, we're gonna put all 3 of our 8 counts together super duper slow. Here's how they're gonna look. We're gonna go right together, then shuffle or triple, 1, 2, 3, left together, shuffle back, left, right, left. Then you're gonna rock back, right, left, turning your triple, 1, 2, 3, rock back, left, right. From here, your third 8 count, you step back and hook, then you do 3 steps forward, 2 skating steps, then you rock front, back, and then we'll start it over. But before we start over, let's just do those 3 8 counts. Stepping right together. You're doing amazing. 5, 6, 5, 6, step right together, 3 steps, left together, 3 steps. Now we rock, 3 steps to turn. Now we rock, 3 steps to turn, step and hook, 3 steps, then we skate, then we rock right, left. Yes, I'm gonna count it in 8 counts this time in case that's helpful for you. So we're gonna do it again. That was amazing though. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can do it. 5, 6, 5, 6, step to your right. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and rock, 1, 2, turn, 3, and 4, rock, 5, 6, turn, 7, step, hook, 1, 2, 3, and skate, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. That's the choreography. I am going to show you how we repeat it to complete a line dance, but if you need to still work on those 3 8 counts and really get feeling better about it, pause it, go back, practice it as many times as you need to before we start to turn it here. But when you're ready, here we go. So to turn it wall to wall, we just rocked our third 8 count, 7, 8, after that skate step. You're going to quarter turn and take a step to your right. So now we're starting over facing this right wall. 1, 2, 3, and 4, left, 5, 6, take it back. Then we rock, 1, 2, turn, 3, and 4, then we rock, then we turn, then we step and hook, 3 steps, then we skate, then we rock, 7, 8. We're going to quarter turn to this wall and start it over. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, take it back, rock back, then 1, 2, 3, rock back, then 1, 2, 3, step, hook, then 3 steps, then we skate, then we rock, quarter turn, right, together, right, left, together, left, rock back, 3 steps, rock back left, 3 steps, step and hook, right, left, 3, 1, 2, 3, skate, 5, 6, 7, then we start it over and look, you're back to the front. And you just keep going till the song ends. Woo! Now, this dance doesn't have any tags, any restarts. You're just gonna do those 3 8 counts over and over. You might hear the 4 count break that's in the music. So it's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you would start counting over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And it's going to change the counts of the specific moves a little, but you don't have to worry about that. All you have to think about is just repeating those 3 8 counts over and over and over until you finish the song. Yes, yes, amazing job. All right, we're gonna go back to the top. We're gonna go really slow. I'm going to do 4 walls around. So we're gonna do 12 8 counts total to face back to the front, really slow just so we can see how it all fits together. So we're gonna start 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Are you ready? You're ready. I believe in you. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, step to your right. This is 1, 2, 3 steps. 1, 2, 3, left, 5, 6, back, 7, and rock, 1, 2, turn, 3, and 4, rock, 5, 6, turn, 7, and step and hook, 1, 2, 3 steps. Now we skate, 5, 6, rock, right, left, start it over, 1, 2, 4, 3, and 4, left, 5, 6, back, 7, and rock on your right. Now we turn 3 steps, rock on your left. Now we turn 3 steps. Now we step and hook, 3 steps, left, skate, 5, 6, rock, 7, 8, turn, 1, 2, front, 3, and 4, left, 5, 6, back, 7, and 8, rock, right, left. Now we turn, rock, left, right. Now you turn, step and hook, 3 steps. Then we skate, then we rock, right, left, turn, 1, 2, front, 3, and 4, 5. Take it back, rock, right, left. Then we turn, rock, left, right. Then we step and hook, last step, 3. Then we skate, 5, 6, 7. Then you'll start it over and just keep going. Great job. Guess what? I don't think it's really that much faster than that, but we are gonna do it one more time about that same tempo just so you get another time to practice. Of course, you can always go back and watch it as many times as you need to, but let's do it one more time here together. Our CHOOSIN TEXAS line dance, 3 8 counts. We're starting stepping right together. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, step right together. 1, 2, 3 to the front, step left together. 1, 2, 3 to the back. Rock, right, left, turn it, right, left, rock, left, right, step in, hook, 3 steps. Now you skate. Now you rock, right, left, turn and start it over. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Rock, 1, 2, 3, turning, rock left, right, step and hook, 3 steps. Now we skate, now we rock, turn it right, left, move it front, left, right, move it back, rock to the back, cha-cha-cha, and rock, and cha-cha, step and hook, 3 steps. Now you skate, now you rock, turn it right to the front, left to the back, rock, 1, 2, 3, rock, 1, 2, 3, step, hook, 1, 2, 3 steps, then skate, skate, rock, then you'll start it over and keep going. Amazing job. And that was our tutorial. Thank you so much for joining me for this one. I hope that you enjoyed it. Remember, when you're ready to practice with music, it's in a separate video that's linked down in the video description. So use this video as much as you need to, and then go use that other video to practice with music. If you had fun today and you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, please hit that subscribe button to be notified when new tutorials are released. Thank you again for joining me. I had so much fun line dancing with you. Please go have an incredible rest of your day. Be kind to yourself, be kind to others, and come back and dance with me again in another tutorial. Bye, y'all.